welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I have a fall inspired video for you guys. This is my first autumn inspired video. Since it is the first day of autumn, I thought I would do a fall makeup look for you guys. So I'm going to be using lots of browns and very earthy tone colors. You can see I got my brown nails going. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get on to the video. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is prep my skin. I'm using the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Sorry if I'm looking over here, I have a mirror over here, so it's just a little... This is the inspo picture I'm going for. So let's hope. Now that my skin is all nice and moisturized and prepped, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Medium Honey. What I've been doing is, and that I really love, is I put a little bit right here. Just a very little bit, and then I will just like leave this little line, and it like snatches. This concealer is very pigmented and loud and proud, so I take very little bit, and then I'm just going to take my dirty ass beauty blender that I need to clean. What are you guys most excited for fall? Like what activities, like the pumpkin patch, or just taking cute fall pictures? By the way, I found the best place to take pictures around my house. I'm gonna make my boyfriend wake up hella earliest tomorrow and take pictures, because tomorrow, I'm filming this on Tuesday, but tomorrow is the actual first day of autumn. So now that that's done, I am going to just put some, I have like little blemishes. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend that out. I've been watching One Tree Hill, and I don't know why I was not introduced to this sooner, because I'm actually really mad. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. I'm annoyed at Lucas because he came in and he was such a good guy, and then he just like messed up both girls, ruined a friendship, like, you know, like what are we doing here, Lucas? Like, do we need to have a conversation? Also, Nathan did a big turnaround. I'm on the first season. I think I'm on like episode 9 or 10 or something. I'm taking the Bare Minerals, what is it called? Mineral Veil powder in light beige, and I'm just going to kind of put that. And I use this little guy because I only put on concealer. I don't wear foundation, because I've had nothing but problems with foundation. Even like the super light coverages, I just don't like the way that it looks on me, and so I just, you know, decided to switch over to concealer and just kind of do that. Okay, next up we are going to take blush. This has been my ultimate favorite blush for summer, and it's going to be a really pretty fall color too. So it's the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stain in Perk. I love how light it is. That's my favorite thing. Again, you want to go up with your face makeup so that you create a snatched look. Ooh, I'm putting it on my nose too. So I've just been loving doing that. I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm taking the James Charles palette and the Morphe Maddie Ziegler palette. These are going to be the two palettes that I use, and I'm going to be taking probably, I'm going to be using Kenny, and then gonna be a very pumpkin-y look. So let's begin, shall we? So I'm just gonna take a transition shade. I'm just gonna take this shade called Butterfly Fantasy. It'll be the perfect transition shade. I never really completely, I totally forgot. I primed my lids with the MAC paint pot. I forgot to film it. I never understood like the hype around transition shades. I was like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, why do people need that? Until I actually started to really get into makeup, and I was like, that makes sense. Okay, so I'm using the Morphe. I don't know. I'm using the Morphe. Now I'm going to be taking, hello? I'm going to be taking my Sony Akashic brush. I don't know what it's called. So I don't know if I want to use Kenny or if I want to mix these two from the palette. I think we'll go with Kenny. We're going to go with Kenny. So it's like a pumpkin-y spice color. Oh my god, I'm going to pee my pants if this comes out bad. I'm literally going to lose my mind. Here we go. Ah! Okay. And like Laura DIY says, contact. There we go. We got contact. I have orange eyelids. Oh my bejesus. She said fall. She said fall. Okay. We got orange eyelids, besties. It's fine. We're gonna hopefully my plan of attack. Because if not, I'm literally gonna pee my pants. It's fine. We're fine. We got orange eyelids though, besties. I can't. I'm done. I have orange eyelids. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it. We're gonna make it work. It's okay. We're gonna make it work. So you wanna just cover your entire lid. And now I look like a pumpkin. Anyways, now I'm going to take a brown and kind of put that on the edge, on the end. So I'm taking Latte, and I'm just going to add a little bit of brown so that we're not pumpkin in the face. Now I'm going to take this fun little baby brush, and I'm taking this darker orange brown in the James Charles palette. I'll link the color, I'll put the color name right here when I look it up. And we're gonna do a little bit of okay. So now I'm gonna bring that like darker color, the one that I did, and then I'm gonna bring it down. Not too much, because I don't want to do too much. It's to the moon. This gold shade right here. To the moon. Fun inner corner. Brush. This is just another Sony Akashic little brush. And I'm going to put a little bit of the gold sparkle over it. Just like I said, to dilute it a little bit. So we're not like, hey, baby. You know, I love this gold. I love this gold. She's so pretty. She's literally so pretty. It's really super fast. Let's do our mascara. L'Oreal Paris Telescopic, or no, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer. We'll let that set. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of highlight. We're all about the gold highlight right now. I'm using this massive Tarte friend got me for Christmas. We're gonna take this lip gloss instead. This is the So Juicy in Vice-Ro from ColourPop. This is a pretty brown. This is perfect. Oh, excuse you. There we go. That was better. Taking our the telescopic L'Oreal mascara. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my little fall makeup, and I hope you guys decide to recreate this look. Please, if you decide to recreate this look, tag me and put hashtag first day of autumn look on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever, and comment down below videos you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of fun, exciting holiday stuff coming up, and yeah, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.